Okay, well, you thought you were finally done with this video and you've heard me talk an awful lot, but there are a couple other things I would like to add. One of the things that you'll want to do, and this will definitely help you out a great deal, you would go up here to the URL bar and you would type in igniteinstitute.org, okay, and it will take you to this page, okay, igniteinstitute.org. Okay, it'll take you to this page right here. If you take a look down here at the bottom, you will see 2021 important information. 2021 important information, click on that, and you go into a Google Drive folder. Okay, there are a ton of really good links in here. Everything from how to access Canvas. I mean, yeah, there's just a great deal of things that I'll tell you will be worthwhile to you as parents and students alike. So take a look at it. It could make your lives a great deal easier. Okay, and if you do not happen to want to type in the URL, I did type in the link on the description of the video. So regardless, take a look at it and have a great day. I look forward to having your scholars and seeing you oh so soon. Okay, goodbye.